Good morning. This video is for you. Just responding to your email in regards to the 2006 Lexus that we have here, the RX330. I'm just going to do a quick little walk around for you, go over price, and show you some of the interior of the vehicle. Very clean car. Again, this is an 06 RX330. Okay. And then the pricing and everything for the unit. So this is going to be for $8,888. No other fees on top of that price, so it's just that price plus tax and licensing. 182,000 kilometers. Okay. And then as for the car proof, there's a glass record, but no actual damage to the vehicle itself. So there's a window change or a windshield, something like that, which we can show you in further detail if you wanted to come and see the vehicle. Definitely respond to the email, make an appointment, come by, or you just swing by and give us a call before you stop by, just to make sure the vehicle's still available. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a good one.